Welcome to a Traceable Products instructional video for the Traceable Excursion-Trac Thermometer. In this video, we will learn how to set your logging interval. Logging interval is how often your thermometer will record a temperature reading. By default, your device is set to record a temperature reading every minute, but this can be changed to fit your working environment. Let's find out how to do that now. The first thing I want to do is slide down the bottom half of your thermometer to reveal the additional buttons and switches. Next, locate the Mem View Switch. You'll find it right here. Go ahead and move this switch up, and your LCD will change. The top row of your LCD tells you how much of the memory is currently full. The middle row tells you how many more days it can record before it becomes full. And the bottom row tells you the logging interval currently set. If you'd like to change the logging interval, that can be done with the Advanced button on the right. Each press will increase the interval amount. Keep pressing the Advanced button until you have the interval you need. If you pass the interval you need, keep pressing the Advanced button until you reach 24 hours. Once you press the Advanced button while on 24 hours, it will restart to 1 minute. Once you're done, set the Mem View switch back to off. Now, continue normal operation.